that intro. What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Small Bore and Two Wheels. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. As you heard, my daughter and I are actually heading to a car show close to where we live. So she's pretty pumped. We woke up pretty early to go over there, especially for Saturday and for her. We actually left earlier than she would have for daycare because she's more excited about the car show than going to daycare. So that doesn't say she loves cars, then I don't know what will. But yeah, we're actually on our way there, and we may have some footage that she records on the way there. But if not, we'll see you guys at the cars. All right, and we're here. That's where we're at. Delphi's and tacos. Okay. Gotta pull it. This one. Alright guys, so it was pretty hot. So you can see there's still a lot of cars, a lot of people there. You got the McLaren just parked out in the street. But my daughter was getting a little hot. We looked at all the cars they had there. She had a great time. Did you have a fun time?
Yes.
You like coming to the car shows with me?
Yes.
Awesome. She's a little bit of a gearhead. And that's perfectly okay. It means that you like cars. You like cars? Awesome. And she also likes to wrench on the ruckus with me. She's gonna learn all the good things that she needs to. If you guys like seeing car shows like that, maybe next time I will see. Oh my god, look how tall that truck is. Hey, if you guys like to see car shows like that, give me a thumbs up. I'll try to make it to more with the ruckus. Just I can't take my daughter with me on the ruckus, and I really wanted to spend some time with her right before Father's Day, so you guys know how far in advance these videos are recorded. But yeah, if you guys like it, just give me a thumbs up. If you wanna see me do more, let me know in the comments down below. And until next time guys, keep causing a ruckus. Pass out. Later.